Hello and welcome to the Hybrid Drummer page. My name is Rohan Bumbra and I am the writer and instructor of this course. I am a professional musician based in Scotland, and since graduating with a first class degree in music, I've been performing with artists all over the country. As well as performing, I'm a passionate teacher. I run an educational YouTube channel and I also teach one-on-one. I've even done a guest lecture at Edinburgh Napier University on the very subject that this course is on, and that is hybrid drumming. So what is this course about? Well, simply put, I'm going to teach you all the essential skills that you need to play electronic drums, whether that be an acoustic setup, an electronic setup, or a hybrid setup. It is the ultimate course for those that want to take their drumming to the next level while building skills in electronic elements that are essential for a modern drummer's repertoire. Now this course is jam-packed with content, so I'm going to break it down quickly by going through each chapter and kind of explaining what each chapter entails. So for the first chapter, we're looking at all the tech involved in electronic drumming. This chapter will give you the skills and confidence to work with electronics, whether that be sampling songs, programming triggers, using drum pads, or more crazy stuff like playing synths on your drums. By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to take a song, sample it all up, chop it all up, put it onto a sampler, and play the entire song live on your drum kit by yourself. I even show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this. And that's just some of the content in the chapter. Chapter 2 is all about the drums, so we step away from all the electronics and we step behind the drum kit. Throughout the chapter I teach drum kit concepts relating to several electronic genres such as drum and bass, trap music, house music and more. We look at each genre and we look at the characteristics of the drums in each genre, and we look at how we can emulate that on an acoustic kit. There are several exercises throughout the chapter, and there's also a unique chop builder for every genre that's going to give you the technical ability to play this music authentically. What's also included is 5 backing tracks that you can practice to. There are also lessons on setting up a hybrid kit, sound design and more. By the end of the chapter you'll be a really proficient drummer and you'll be able to play electronic music on the acoustic kit really well. And if you combine this knowledge with the things you learned in the first chapter, you're going to be a truly hybrid drummer. Finally, chapter 3 is all about live performance. This is for when you combine the first 2 chapters and you've made some music and you want to take it to the stage. I will teach you practical relevant nuggets of information that are great for any gigging drummer, and it means that you'll be able to come to a gig prepared and confident. We look at playing to a metronome, pre-production, monitoring, mixing, all that good stuff, and there's lots of great gigging tips in there too. And once you've completed this chapter, you'll be able to handle any scenario that comes your way. And with the combined knowledge of all these 3 chapters, you'll be a well-rounded, knowledgeable, hireable, gig-ready drummer. If you want to know more, there's plenty more information down below in the text, and hopefully I'll see you guys inside. Take care.